Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sydney and I will be doing integrity with you for the next 3 weeks. Alright, so for this week and today we are going to start out with rhyming. So if the word rhymes, please give me a thumbs up. If the word does not rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Alright, first word, toy, joy. Very good, it's a thumbs up. Boy, ball. Very good, thumbs down. It does not rhyme. Join, coin. Very good, it does rhyme, so it's a thumbs up. All right, this next one, I'm going to say a word. You repeat the word and then give me the first sound or sounds. Toy. Very good. The first sound is t. Boy. Very good. The first sound is b. Last one, Troy. Very good. The first sound is tr. All right, now I'm going to break apart a word and then I want you to put the word back together, okay? Oi, toy, oi, joist. Last one, out, south. Very good. All right, so now we're going to isolate the middle sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a roller coaster. So I'm going to do the first one as an example. Our first word is loud. 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 Next one, south. Out. South. Hurt. Hurt. Very good. Last one, born. Born. All right, very good. So this time, I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat it back, and then you're going to break it apart, okay? Soil. Very good. It's soil. Ground. Very good. It's ground. All right, last one, cowboy. Very good. Cowboy. I messed up. I'm sorry. Cowboy. Cowboy. Sorry. All right. Next one. I'm going to change the first sound, okay? First sound. Koi. Now change to toy. Now change in toy to j. Joy. Very good. All right, now change enjoy to b. Boy. Very good. All right. So we're going to be putting two words together. This hand is going to show the beginning sound. This hand is going to show the end sound. Ready? Join, ing, joining. Let's do three more. You do them with me. Cow, boy, cowboy. Joy, in, enjoy, enjoy. Boil, ing, boiling. All right, now I'm going to repeat it. I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat the word, and then I'll tell you what sound to take away. Coil. Take away the k sound. Oil. Very good. A point. Now take away a. Point. Very good. Pointing. Take away ing. Point. Very good. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.